Song number 22, Fun with D and E. So we're going to utilize the open D string and then put my first finger, index finger, on your fingerboard tape to get the note E. This is the low note E on the D string. After 4 beats, please. Make sure your thumb is relatively close to where you have your tape on the fingerboard. Make sure you have a space in between underneath your thumb. Your wrist is away from the fingerboard and the body of the violin. Nothing like this, but like this. And your arm is also has some space between your arm and the body. Bow hold ready? Place my bow on D string. This song starts with open D. 1, 2, 3, 4. First finger, rest. Now alternate. First finger, first finger, freeze for a few seconds, then put your violin down.